Thanks, Key Code Media. Today we're going to take a look at our game-changing LU800 field unit. It's the first unit ever made that combines multi-camera production with mission-critical transmission. It's one unit with unlimited possibilities. So let's dive right in and take a look at what the LU800 has to offer.
The first thing you'll notice right out of the box is the unit's sleek new design. It's thinner and slightly longer than our existing LU600, and the backpack is more compact as well. The unit weighs in just under 5 pounds and still manages to pack in an onboard 4-hour battery. There are 3 main versions of the product: the Pro 1, which gives you 1 camera in and out and up to 4 channels of audio. The Pro 2 gives you up to 2 cameras in and out and up to 8 channels of audio. And finally, the Pro 4, up to 4 cameras in and out with up to 16 channels of audio. The Pro 2 and Pro 4 versions also support 4K with one 12G SDI connection. liveU built this unit around 5G technology, bringing guaranteed bandwidth in congested environments, enabling higher quality and support of higher resolutions, plus super low latency transmissions. As with all our units, the LU800 uses bonded cellular to provide the most robust connectivity and resiliency to feed from anywhere in over 186 countries worldwide. The LU800 is uniquely capable of supporting what we call REMI, or at-home production solutions. This allows for multi-camera production of liveU sporting events, news programs, corporate events, or any type of production entirely at home. This means keeping above-the-line talent and equipment in a centralized facility and significantly reducing the number of crew on site. As you can see, the LU800 has 4 SDI inputs, all of which can be fed back to a receive server in your studio control room, all fully synchronized. For larger productions, these units can be stacked to support as many camera angles as your production requires. Although this is not a specific feature of the LU800, it's important to point it out. We've just added a feature called IP Pipe. It gives you the ability to control IP-based cameras like PTZ, for example, for remote shading, pan, tilt, and more. It's an amazing complement to the LU800 and the entire liveU product portfolio.
So let's get back to the 800 and talk about a couple of different modes that we have on the unit. One is called multi-high quality mode and the other is called switcher mode. The next slide I have will explain it in a little bit better detail.
Multi-high quality mode sends all 4 high quality feeds back to your quad output server, fully synchronized, where you can switch it live like any other production. Switcher mode basically turns your LU800 into its own miniature video switcher. We can send one high quality path, and at the same time we can also send back a lower resolution quad split with all 4 feeds as proxy views. You can select on the LU800 field unit which feed you want to come back to output to your LU2000 receive server. Both of these modes provide optimal coverage of time-sensitive productions and interviews, as well as reduces cost as compared to satellite or fiber transmissions. Most importantly, the quality of your transmission on the LU800 has never been better. The unit supports up to 4K P60 resolution using 50 megabits per second HEVC encoding. Also, we've increased the number of embedded audio channels so that your mix-minus can also be done from your centralized facility. So you can feed up to 4 embedded audio channels per SDI output, or 16 on SDI output 1. We've also incorporated a wider color depth and span, enabling 10-bit HDR support. This is great for sports where capturing the action and details is critical to a great game. The LU800 has a built-in 7-inch capacitive touchscreen for easy field control of the unit and gives you a clear, crisp view of your shots when in multi-camera mode. Additionally, you have dual power supplies, 2 Ethernet, and 2 Wi-Fi interfaces. The 800 has 7 built-in dual SIM modems, and you can configure your unit with 1, 2, or 3 5G modems built in at time of purchase. So you can have the best of both worlds, 5G and 4G LTE combined, for the best signal coverage that's available anywhere you go. All of the other features you know and love in our other products like tally, video return, IFB, intercom, remote control, and more are still found in the LU800. So as I said at the beginning, the LU800 is truly one unit with unlimited possibilities.
Well, that's going to wrap up my high-level overview of the LU800 liveU's newest field unit in our product portfolio. And to get the real feel for this unit and to really exercise it, you've got to get a demo of this thing. So, get a hold of your Key Code Media rep or your local reseller and get out there and test it out, try it out, and you'll be amazed at all that it can do. So right now, I'll turn it back over to you guys at Key Code Media, and let's dive into some Q&A, and I'm excited to answer any questions that are out there. Thanks, Key Code.